Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video presentation, let us solve some important MCQs for the Jkssb Supervisor examination, specifically for Unit 1, Society, Community, Association. Please watch the entire video. For MCQs on more topics, subscribe to my YouTube channel. The subscription link is provided in the description. Let us try to solve important MCQs one by one from the topic Society, Community, Association. Question 1. What is the fundamental unit of human society? A. Individual. B. Family. C. Community. D. Organization. The correct answer for question 1 is option A. Individual. Question 2. Which term refers to a group of people who share a common geographical location and social ties? A. Society. B. Community. C. Association. D. Collective. The correct answer for question 2 is option B. Community. Question 3. What is the primary purpose of an association? A. Economic gain. B. Social interaction. C. Political advocacy. D. All of the above. The correct answer for question 3 is option D. All of the above. Question 4. Which concept emphasizes shared values, norms, and traditions within a group of people? A. Society. B. Culture. C. Association. D. Institution. The correct answer for question 4 is option B. Culture. Question 5. What differentiates a society from a community? A. Size. B. Geography. C. Social organization. D. Economic status. The correct answer for question 5 is option C. Social organization. Question 6. In sociology, what is the term for a large, complex social structure composed of many individuals and institutions? A. Group. B. Society. C. Association. D. Collective. The correct answer for question 6 is option B. Society. Question 7. Which factor is essential for the formation of a community? A. Common interests. B. Similar occupations. C. Geographical proximity. D. Political affiliations. The correct answer for question 7 is option C. Geographical proximity. Question 8. What is the primary focus of social institutions within a society? A. Economic development. B. Social control. C. Cultural preservation. D. Technological advancement. The correct answer for question 8 is option B. Social control. Question 9. Which type of association is formed for mutual economic benefit among its members? A. Social club. B. Trade union. C. Non-profit organization. D. Religious group. The correct answer for question 9 is option B. Trade union. Question 10. What is the term for a group of people with a common interest who come together voluntarily? A. Society. B. Community. C. Association. D. Collective. The correct answer for question 10 is option C. Association. Question 11. Which theory suggests that societies naturally evolve from simple to complex forms over time? A. Conflict theory. B. Functionalism. C. Symbolic interactionism. D. Structuralism. The correct answer for question 11 is option B. Functionalism. Question 12. What is the role of a social contract in the formation of societies? A. Economic development. B. Political organization. C. Cultural assimilation. D. Social cooperation. The correct answer for question 4 is option D. Social cooperation. Question 13. Which concept refers to the conscious, organized efforts by society to promote certain values and behaviors? A. Socialization. B. Social control. C. Social change. D. Social stratification. The correct answer for question 4 is option B. Social control. Question 14. Which characteristic distinguishes a voluntary association from other social groups? A. Common goals. B. Legal recognition. C. Compulsory membership. D. Shared values. The correct answer for question 14 is option C. Compulsory membership. Question 15. In sociology, what is the term for a temporary gathering of people in the same place at the same time? A. Assembly. B. Association. C. Society. D. Mob. The correct answer for question 15 is option A. Assembly. Question 16. Which type of community is characterized by close-knit relationships and shared values within a limited geographic area? A. Rural community. B. Urban community. C. Virtual community. D. Professional community. The correct answer for question 16 is option A. Rural community. Question 17. What is the primary purpose of social stratification within a society? A. Economic equality. B. Social mobility. C. Status differentiation. D. Cultural diversity. The correct answer for question 17 is option C. Status differentiation. Question 18. Which sociological perspective focuses on the symbols and shared meanings that people use to communicate? A. Functionalism. B. Symbolic interactionism. C. Conflict theory. D. Feminist theory. The correct answer for question 18 is option B. Symbolic interactionism. Question 19. What term is used to describe a group of people who share a common identity based on race, ethnicity, or cultural heritage? A. Social class. B. Subculture. C. Ethnic group. D. Social category. The correct answer for question 19 is option C. Ethnic group. Question 20. Which concept refers to the process through which individuals learn and internalize the values and norms of their society? A. Socialization. B. Acculturation. C. Assimilation. D. Cultural relativism. The correct answer for question 20 is option A. Socialization. Question 21. What term is used to describe a group of people who share similar social positions, wealth, and access to resources within a society? A. Social class. B. Subculture. C. Social category. D. Collective. The correct answer for question 21 is option A. Social class. Question 22. In sociology, what does the term social cohesion refer to within a community? A. Economic equality. B. Emotional bonds and mutual support. C. Political affiliation. D. Cultural diversity. The correct answer for question 22 is option B. Emotional bonds and mutual support. Question 23. Which sociological perspective emphasizes the role of power and conflict in shaping social institutions and relationships? A. Functionalism. B. Symbolic interactionism. C. Conflict theory. D. Feminist theory. The correct answer for question 23 is option C. Conflict theory. Question 24. What is the term for a society characterized by rapid technological advancements, urbanization, and industrialization? A. Agricultural society. B. Industrial society. C. Post-industrial society. D. Pre-modern society. The correct answer for question 24 is option B. Industrial society. Question 25. Which concept refers to the process of blending cultural elements from different groups, leading to a new and unique cultural identity? A. Cultural relativism. B. Cultural assimilation. C. Cultural diffusion. D. Cultural pluralism. The correct answer for question 25 is option B. Cultural assimilation. Question 26. What role does the media play in influencing societal perceptions and shaping cultural values? A. Socialization. B. Social control. C. Cultural diffusion. D. Mass communication. The correct answer for question 26 is option D. Mass communication. Question 27. In sociology, what is the term for the process by which individuals and groups attempt to create a positive image of themselves in the eyes of others? A. Impression management. B. Socialization. C. Social stratification. D. Conformity. The correct answer for question 27 is option A. Impression management. Question 28. Which type of community is characterized by a high degree of diversity, anonymity, and often lacks strong social ties? A. Rural community. B. Urban community. C. Virtual community. D. Professional community. The correct answer for question 28 is option B. Urban community. Question 29. What is the primary focus of feminist theory in sociology? A. Economic structures. B. Gender inequality. C. Symbolic interactions. D. Social institutions. The correct answer for question 29 is option B. Gender inequality. Question 30. Which term is used to describe a set of behaviors and expectations associated with a particular social position within a society? A. Role. B. Status. C. Identity. D. Norm. The correct answer for question 30 is option A. Role. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shoki Bilal.